Today we are going to learn about government. This topic is very important in EMS and often comes up in tests as definitions, short questions and paragraphs. As we go through the slides, listen carefully to the explanations and try to understand why government exists, not just what it is. A government is a group of people who have the authority or power to run a country. Authority means they have the right to make decisions that everyone must follow. Government controls how the country is run, makes rules, and decides what should happen in the country. Without government, there would be no order or organization. South Africa is a democracy. This means that people of the country choose their leaders. Citizens who are 18 years and older are allowed to vote. Voting is important because it gives citizens the say in how the country is run. National elections are held every 5 years. In an election, many political parties compete for votes. Citizens vote for the party they prefer. The political party that receives the most votes becomes the governing party. This party forms the government and is responsible for the running of the country. The Constitution is the supreme law of South Africa. This means that it is the highest law in the country. All other laws must follow the Constitution. It acts like a rule book that explains how South Africa should be governed. The Constitution explains the rights of citizens, such as the right to education and freedom. It also explains citizens' duty, like obeying the law. It clearly sets out what the government is allowed to do and how the government is formed. This prevents abuse of power. Parliament is where members of Parliament meet to discuss, debate and pass laws. Laws are not made quickly. They are carefully discussed to make sure that they are fair and helpful to citizens. Parliament has two houses. The National Assembly represents the people of South Africa. The National Council of Provinces represents the 9 provinces and makes sure that the provincial interests are considered. The main purpose of government is to make sure the country runs smoothly. Government maintains law and order so people feel safe. It manages the country's resources properly and ensures that the citizens receive essential services like water, electricity and education. Good luck with your studying. Remember to come back and watch before your test or exam. You've got this.